Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibonani, ngiyethemba ngiphila. Angiqale ngokudlulisa ukubonga ngesupport engiyithola kini. Ayikho ivideo engiyifakayo ningayibuki, ningakhomenti, ningalike. Abanye bakhona abangaka subscribe. Ngiyabona mangibheka ama stats ayasho ukuthi 90% abantu ababuka icontent abasubscribe. Ngiyacela nawe nje impela ungabe usayeka, cela usubscribe ngiyacela. Ngiyabonga kakhulu isupport yenu isho likhulu kimi. Izokhumbula ukuthi einsukwini ezedlule iMK ke yaba yihlaya kakhulu ngoba ibingenama office. Ngizodlala ivideo kaMbalula efakazela lokukhuluma engikushoyo bese ngidlulele kwivideo yanamuhla.
It's been very difficult to engage with MK. We tried to reach out. That's what we explained. We tried to reach out and we drew blank. And it depends after this meeting whether we'll still meet with them. But like we said, we're open to talk to everybody, including the MK party. So what we know is what the leader of the party has said. And it's very difficult to talk to people there because when you talk to them, they tell you that they are still waiting for Ubaba. So, and Ubaba gatolakali. So we try to reach out, and even if yourself you can be in a position to help us. But the country must move ahead. The country must go.
Njengoba uzwile na uMbalula esho ukuthi bekunzima ukuxhumana nabe MK party, ingakho sibone namanye amalungu MK party mayikhombisa ukungenami kwawo ahamba yenkandla ngoba phela akukho la kuzothiwa kune office khona. Kodwa ngaphambi kwakhiwa indonga kufuneka kwakhiwa istructure kuqala bese ke kwakhiwa indonga ke. Ngifisa ukuthi ngikucacise lokho ngoba lana sizokhuluma ukuthi kuzoba khona ama office. Into yokuqala ehamba phambili uthi kwakhiwa istructure bese ke kufunwa indonga ke la kuzorentwa khona kube nama office omkhonto wesizwe party. Izolo ngomhla ka 23 kuJanuary 2024 uFloyd Shivambu oSecretary General usithulele ukuthi bebene meeting as high command yomkhonto wesizwe party lapha abahlale khona base bekhetha ama leadership structures. Abantu abakhethwe la base kuthiwa labantu abalandelayo bakhethiwe ukuthi bona babe ku National High Command. Amagama laba abakhethiwe ukuthi babe ku National High Command yomkhonto wesizwe party uSerame Mogale, uLuda Lebelo, uJabu Khoza, uMadume Patience Chuku, uLindiwe Mtshali, uPuseletso Sikhosana, uDumsile Nxumalo kanye noSibusiso Radebe. Kodwa uSerame Mogale ukhethwe yena ukuthi akabe full-time head of political education yomkhonto wesizwe party. Istructure sokuqala lesabasikhethile zibalulekile kakhulu ke lezi inhlaka abazikhethayo ngoba izona efuneka ithatha iqembu zilise phambili. Njengoba line constitution kufanele manje kulandele iconstitution ibe umhlahlandlela. Uma udaba kunodaba oluthizo olufuna iNational High Command kwazi ukuthi obani abaku National High Command. Masidlulela phambili kubekwe uAdvocate Dalimpofu ukuthi akabe uchairperson, national chairperson we-disciplinary committee, usihlalo we-disciplinary committee nationally. Kwase kubekwa uDr John Hlophe yena ukuthi akabe uchairman we-National Disciplinary Committee of Appeals, nayo usihlalo we-national. Kodwa kuyikomiti le-appeal uma ngabe khanje icala lakho kukhona udaba olukhulunywe ngawe kwaphuma isinqumo wasubona ukuthi cha aweneliseka ufisa ukuthi likhulunywe futhi funeka uye kuDr John Hlophe. Into engiyithandile la ukuthi ku-disciplinary committee kufuneka abantu abazi umthetho ngoba imaqulwa nje icala lomuntu noma udaba lomuntu kufuneka kubheka umthetho. Advocate Dalimpofu umuntu owazi umthetho isiyamfanele isikhundla. uDr John Hlophe ubeyijudge so uyawazi umthetho. Ngicabanga ukuthi bakhethe kahle kakhulu ngokubona kwami. Ngicela ukuzwa kodwa ukubona kwakho ungakhohlwa njalo ukusubscribe, ulike le video, ushare, ushiye umbono wakho. Ungajoina futhi ne-membership. Please ngiyacela njoine membership ucontribute la kule YouTube channel. Iqala ku 20 rand ngenyanga. Iyaphezulu kashiyana ama price. Ngiyacela kakhulu. Subscribe le channel like ivideo, share nabanye bese sixoxa la ku comment section. Ngiyayithanda le ngxoxo esivamise ukuba nayo ngoba nami kukhona engikufundayo. Asiqhubeke. Kwaseke kuphikethwa ke ama-conveyor nama-coordinator abaxhumanisi laba. Kodwa labaxhumanisi kuzobe kungese babaxhumanisi nje, kuzobe kungabaxhumanisi be-Women's League ne-Youth League. So bathi umsebenzi wabo immediate nje afuneka bawenze ukuthi babe nama-consultation futhi baqedele ukubhala ba-finalize i-MK ne-Women's League founding documents. Bazobe be-responsible for ukuthi be-establish i-organization ukuthi igcwale South Africa yonke. Futhi bazoba responsible lapho ukuthi ba-design i-logo, nanokuthi izobukeka kanjani, nanokuthi bafuna ifile kanjani, i-communicate message ethize kwi-organization. Kodwa konke lokho kuzokwenziwa yibo. Futhi bazo-lead ama-programs nama-activity e-MK Youth League kanye ne-Women's League. Sengizoshaya amagama-ke labantu abanomsebenzi ongaka abanikezwe wona. Amagama bongo:
to appoint Commander Nontando Shozi Malanga, who is the current member of the National High Command, to be the national convener of Mkhonto Wesizwe Women's League. Commander Lindiwe Irene Makubu Mchali as the national coordinator of Mkhonto Wesizwe Women's League. The official launch of MK Women's League will be on the 9th of August, which is Women's Day 2025.
Ibona ke laba bakhethiwe njengoba kaDumuzo Secretary General we-MK Party Floyd Shivambi babala waze washo ukuthi i-launch ye-Women's League yomkhonto wesizwe izoba nge-9 zika-August. Yabona ke bakwazile ukuqondanisa ngoba vele kusuke kuusuku oludedicated kubantu besifazane. Base bethi ke ngalolo suku bafuna ukulontsha ngalo. I-MK iney'nsuku zayo. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi yona yasungulwa ya-register ngomhla ka-15 December. Manje i-Women's League izolontshwa ngomhla ka-9 August. Okay. Bafuna ama be-celebrate ama-holiday kungabe iy'nsuku ezi-awkward ngiyasola. Kusuke kungama-holidays vele. Asiqhubeke sibone ukuthi sithola bapha abanye bese siyivala ivideo ngoba baningi. KwaZulu Natal nje angangeni kuyo nayo inabantu abaningi bona ilist yakhona yinde kakhulu.
We expect that by the launch date of Mkhonto Wesizwe Women's League, all the VDs, the wards, sub-regions, regions and provinces will be led by capable women's detachments and women's structures of the MK Women's League. And consistent with the constitution of Mkhonto Wesizwe, the national officials have also appointed Qiniso Cebane, the current convener of MK Youth League in the eThekwini region, to be the national convener of the MK Youth League. The national officials have also appointed Nkateko Mkabela, the current spokesperson of the MK Youth League, to be the MK national coordinator with immediate effect.
Okunye okubalekile akushilo uFloyd Shivambi ukuthi umuntu okhethwayo lapha ya ukuthi abe ku-Youth League ilabantu abangaphansi kweminyaka ewu-30. Yingakho ngathi kukhethwa laba ngoba bangaphansi kweminyaka ewu-30. Bathi bona ngokwe-constitution ye-MK ugcina ukuba ilunga le-Youth League uma usuna 31. Suka ku-32 kuya ungabe usabalwa kwi-Youth League, usubalwa ku-adult ngiyasola. Yingakho ke kukhethwe laba, hayi ngoba laba bebekhona eqaleni kukhona kwenzanga kahle, kodwa i-constitution yo-MK Party ithi umuntu oyilunga le-Youth League umuntu eneminyaka engaphansi ka-31.
The official launch of Mkhonto Wesizwe Youth League will take place on the 16th of June 2025. We expect that by the launch date, which is 16 June, Youth Day 2025, we expect that by then, the Youth League of Mkhonto Wesizwe must be existing in all the voting districts, in all the wards, in all sub-regions and regions and provinces, and led by youth detachments with the capabilities that they can demonstrate.
Ayo akucizelele la uSG i-launch date yomkhonto wesizwe phakathi. Okusho ukuthi kusazosetshenzwa kumkhonto wesizwe. Uma uzwa nje lezi inhlelo zabo abanazo kusazosetshenzwa ngempela. Uma ngabe umuntu aye ngeyofuna ikhundla ayi ushaye phansi ufuna abalindi yabona abafuna ikhundla funeka abalinde yakhiwe le structures zibe khona bese iyahamba ngoba at least uzothola ikhundla sezikhona sezivele zikhona zishoda nje ukuthi kuphuma umuntu ungena umuntu. Kodwa ke kuzoqalwa phansi uyabona nje mawubona mawuzwa futhi kubalwa kanje uvela ubone ukuthi hayi kusazosetshenzwa ngempela kumkhonto wesizwe hayi kancane.
And then the national officials have also resolved and mandated the Secretariat to convene all students, activists who associate with MK, to convene them and identify from amongst the students activists a national task team which is going to establish the MK students movement. The task team will be strictly composed of full-time students whose primary focus is on students. The MK students movement must be launched and will be launched in all universities, universities of technology, and TVET colleges. In relation to provinces, the national officials have resolved to appoint the top 8 of the provincial detachments of the provinces of Limpopo, of Gauteng province, and of KwaZulu-Natal.
Ilawa kama structures, ama leadership structures wa nationally akhethiwe kwamanje. Njoba ngishilo ukuthi KZN ine list ende baningi kakhulu abantu bakhona. Uma ngathiwa nje ngikhuluma ngayo ngafuna ukuthi ibe ngenza ivideo yayo yodwa. Kodwa ngeke ngiyenze ivideo yakhona ngengezwanga ngani. Cela ukuzwa ngani ukuthi ngiyenze ivideo yakhona noma ngingayenzi ukuze ngizokwenzela nini ivideo efunwa yini. Ngiyacela ningakhohlwa njalo ukusubscribe, ulike ivideo, uyishare, ucomment ku-comment section. Makuvela futhi ama-advert ngiyacela uwabuke. Ngokwenza njalo uyacontributor kule channel financial. Yes, kuwe ukubuka ama-advert kumahala. Kodwa mina indlela nami engizothola ngayo idatha ukuze ngiqhubeke ngikulethele yonke information ofuneka uyazi. Futhi ke kule channel senza sure ukuthi asithuli noma imapha amahemheme indaba saziverify kuqala bese kuyina siziletha. Ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho kwi-comment section. Mina nawe sidibane kwi-video elandelayo ngiyabonga.